Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make spray cold water fabric starch at home. But we will first make the cold water fabric starch and then lighten it up to become a spray cold water fabric starch. Hence, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can get the main skill of the day. But before we do that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. So now let's first learn how to produce the cold water fabric starch. Cold water fabric starch is a modified starch used to stiffen textile and other related fabrics. Cold water fabric starch is generally used for laundry, dry cleaning, textile finishing, paper smoothing, printing finishing, gluing and gumming industry. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to make cold water fabric starch. Cold water fabric starch can be made from the following materials. These are antisol, polyvinyl acetate, also known as PVA, fragrance, and formalin. Now before we go into the mixing process proper, let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 2.5 liters of cold water fabric starch. Antisol, 40 gram. Polyvinyl acetate, also known as PVA, 500 ml. Fragrance, 10 ml. And formalin, 10 ml. Now these are the materials. This is antisol. This is polyvinyl acetate, also known as PVA. It is also called acrylic, and sometimes it is also called whitener. And this is fragrance, and this is our preservative called formalin. Now dissolve your antisol in water. Now it takes about 24 hours for antisol to completely dissolve in water. Hence, we're going to leave this solution standing for 24 hours. But we will be stirring it in every 6 hours. Make sure you stir it at every 6 hours until it is completely 24 hours of the solution. Now this is how our antisol looks like after 24 hours. We have stirred for about 3 times now, and this is the 4th time of stirring in 24 hours. Now you can add your PVA and stir. Now stir it for about 5 to 10 minutes to have a homogeneous solution. Now you can add your fragrance and formalin and continue stirring. Please let me say it here as a point of emphasis that stirring is one of the major jobs you will do in this preparation. Make sure you stir it properly so that you have a homogeneous solution. Now your cold water fabric starch is almost ready, but you will have to leave it for about 8 hours before it can be used. You have to let it stand for about 8 hours before it can be used for effective output. Now this is our final product, the cold water fabric starch. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our cold water fabric starch is ready. This is it here. The next stage is to adapt it to a spray fabric starch. The spray fabric starch is sprayed on cloth and fabric during ironing. Now fetch about 200 ml of your cold water fabric starch and add some clean water to it. Now add the water to the consistency you want, but ensure that you stir it properly. Now pour the liquid into your spray nozzle bottle. And ladies and gentlemen, your spray fabric starch is ready for use. You can use it when ironing your clothes. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.